Once again, racing just is started. We have Royal G. Break quickly at the start. Down on the inside is some like it had. And on the outside is Sangang Daan. In the middle portion, Security Dream Simply Believe is on the outside. Play the music comes next. Security Prince Lucky Pal. Then followed over by Mr. Classmate. Running by the release Idol. Borong while boarding pass is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Royal G by about 2 lengths. Sangang Daan moving up on the outside now is Simply Believe. And on the outside, third moving up is Security Prince. Then down in tip now is Play the Music. Some like it had Mr. Classmate, Security Dream, Idol, Borong, Lucky Pal, while boarding pass is still racing in less. Inside the 3 octavo, we have Royal G about to throw the challenge now on the outside is Security Prince. We have Security Prince now takes command by about 3/4 of a length lead. Royal G drops back in second. Sangang Daan, Simply Believe comes next. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Security Prince by over length and a half. Down on the inside, second is Royal G. Sangang Daan, Simply Believe is on the outside. Last 100 meters, we have Security Prince by about 3 lengths, followed by Simply Believe, Sangang Daan, and finally it's going to be a close finish between Security Prince and Simply Believe. Then comes Sangang Daan, Some Like It Hot, Mr. Classmate,